Okay, let's get this show on the road. Welcome back, gamers, to whatever this is. But I'm back on my bullshit. Let's get this here. Also, I hate that OBS does not know how to do its transitions. Like, what's the point of having transitions if they don't work? You know what I mean? Oh well. Do I have complaining about things on here? I don't know. But anyway. This here is, I'm still hard at work porting Godot's build system to CMake for reasons known and unknowable. And now, there's only a few build errors. I think, it'll be... And I had to disable the warnings because, Bullet Physics has thousands upon thousands upon thousands of warnings. So this is just fatal errors. But I think most of them are like the same 4 things 1,000 times, as is typical of C++. For some reason, all the operator equals don't work in my CMake build, even though they work fine in Scons, so I don't know if something changed with the C standard or what. But that's fine. Let's see. So have I done this? What is this? There we go. Okay. So enough of that. We're not doing that today. I had an interesting idea literally like an hour before working, which was... So the way this game is structured is you talk to this medium and you talk to this AI over and over again, and it changes as you learn things. But one of the problems with that is that you have to go back to the medium after every interaction to do something interesting. So I was thinking, what if Jackie can just talk to her in her dreams? Because the way the medium works is it scans the user's memories, so the medium will remember what Jackie said in her dreams. And that would also do, like, there's a thematic thing that I've been kicking around about the importance of dreams, and I haven't figured out a use for it yet. I was thinking of just having, like, dream sequences in the game anyway, but having dream sequences that are actually, like, solving the problem of, like... Take your time, Godot. But having this solve a problem would be really useful. Let's see, is take your time on the bingo card. Let's see what our bingo card is today. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, music dies. Don't need to do any of this. Going insane. Commit messages. Let's see. Those all seem fine. But okay. So today, we are working on this impromptu feature of a dream system, an improved sleep system, because now you'll actually need to be able to sleep for like a couple hours at a time. And then I think I'm going to put in features as well. Dream, so like, sleep is required. And basically what I'm thinking is stamina drains faster than health drains faster than stamina stops recharging. Okay, why did the music get like I turned it down and then the music like turned itself down. But okay. That's going to be a later feature, but that's basically going to make it a mechanical necessity for the player to learn to sleep. And with the way the day-night cycle works, it's about 30 minutes of day until it turns to night. So I'm thinking that the player would do a bunch of stuff in that time. You know, talk to the medium once or twice, and then be like, it's kind of inconvenient to go back to the medium so much. And then they're like, oh, I need to go to sleep, because the video game told me, because, you know, my sleep bar is low. And so they do that, and then they get the dream, and then they're like, wait, can I just do that every time? And then they try it again, and, you know, it works. And so I'm going to have that be a thing now. So let's go to sleep. Now let's go to the player. Because the first thing I need to figure out is what exactly the sequence is. Because I'm thinking what I would do is if we go to the world, we'll probably just have a little box out in the middle of nowhere. Let's have... So we already have a bunch of boxes down here, so let's put another one. Also, we should have a... I guess it doesn't matter much. Well, I guess it wouldn't hurt to have an occluder that's just down this way. So let's do... Let's... So basically, it'll explicitly cut off all of this from being visible. Let's see, so that should be... is that good? Yeah, that's in the right place, I think. Okay. Because now we can have a new box. CSG. And so this will be our dream area. And just in case the player somehow gets out of bounds, this is just going to have... Let's go to black. Or I guess I can just do new spatial, albedo, black, unshaded. Inverted. There we go. And I think the way it's going to work is let's just put the illusory room. I'll have to figure out how to make sure the player can't save in here. Because otherwise they'd just be soft locked. But I think what it's going to be, let's have it be, so sleeping teleports you to the medium, or to the dream room. You can either talk in the medium, or you can either talk to mom or leave. And then leaving does the wake up stuff. So let's say your sleep location is tracked in a stat, I guess. This will be good. And I guess also we'll need, yeah, we'll have a very simple pick a time UI, because that'll be good. Because that's also something that I've needed for other reasons. Okay, and let's have the player, or let's have a location. This will be like player, or like teleport reference. So we should probably also have, let's have a reflection probe. So this will like control the lighting in here. Dark ambient color will be like a dark purplish blue or something like that. Let's see, we've heard this album quite a few times. For having 272 like albums on my playlist, I feel like there's quite a lot of repeats for some reason. Maybe it needs to have the fake shuffling. Like I heard Spotify has fake shuffle to avoid repetition. Probably some quirk of randomness where it just feels inaccurate. Okay, now we're getting something that I don't remember. Okay. So now, when we sleep... I know. We also need a door. And let's have it be a white door. Let's say here this is going to be like that, and like probably less saturated. And then lights wall. And I'll just have it hanging over it. Okay, so this will be where it is. But alright, let's go to... Well, actually... Should this even be in the same area? Because I need to reload the game world anyway. So, like, what is the benefit? Well, I guess it'll prevent breaking the game world, and also it'll maintain consistency with the player, I guess. Alright, let's say that's fine. So yeah, let's just have it when the player sleeps, they will dream. So go to sleep. I guess we can just do this. So like function well, let's have that. Let's have, what should this do? So if we go to the game world, well, okay, so what go to sleep should do is it should still play the timer, and then we'll do player dot teleport to, well, let's do that. And let's just have sleep do something funky. Take your time. It's... okay. It took an inordinate amount of time for that to happen. Next time I should remember to just... because all I needed was the script. Sleep. Okay. So this is unload all. So I guess that's fine. So let's do, like, player.teleport to... let's actually say, like, dream equals true. So, if dream... so by default, I think the player's going to have these dreams. But there might be a reason for me to not have... or, like, to have the player go to sleep without this. I can't think of any off the top of my head, but... it's just one boolean. It does feel weird to have sleeping always intrinsically linked to dreaming. Oh, wait. Oh, I see. Alright, but let's also do global.set stat sleep position as player.global transform. And then we'll have the player do something, so like, we'll figure that out soon. So let's have this do, like, 2 seconds. Well, let's do that, and then... I guess it's fine. Oh, and I just realized we don't actually reload the entire scene. We just unload all of the chunks and then reload them, which is much faster than reloading the entire scene. And that also explains why the player is still consistent, because I don't have to deal with, like, reapplying their outfit, which, I mean, should be consistent, but... oh. I can imagine discovering a whole class of bugs if I tried to do that. And also, currently the player never actually leaves this scene. It just... other things leave and return to it. Alright, but let's see. What this should do is right now it'll just teleport us to the world and unload all of the chunks and break everything. Take your time, video game, I guess. Just taking a leisurely, like, load here. Oh, right, because I was here. Because I literally, like, I got so pissed off at this specific bug. Because I was trying to test something else, but I was still here. So this one, I can't deal with it. I don't have enough sanity to deal with this one, so I'm just going to teleport. Let's see if the keyboard can even keep up with what I just did. What's crazy to me is how much worse the input lag gets when the performance goes down. Like, I get that the frame rate is low, but why does it take more frames to register the buttons? Also, I'm realizing... okay, so this is going to be... hang on, let's pause, maybe. No, okay, it just finished. It just got done. Because it's something to do with the shader compilation. So what I'm honestly going to do is probably once I get done with this first pass stuff, I'm just straight up going to replace Godot's entire renderer. You know, because scope creep be damned, that's not, like, an acceptable thing to happen in the video game. And I'm not going to stand for it. But okay. So I want to just go to bed. So we'll have to stand up. I know what we'll do. We'll do, what does wake up do? Block false. So what is here? So we need the animation. So like function sit up. And then it's going to be like function enter dream, maybe? Wait, let's not even bother with that. Oh wait, I didn't save my location, so I'm going to be in... Hang on. Just make the whole thing invisible. I don't need to bother with it. What am I doing? Oh yeah, player. So we need sleep. So we're gonna have player enter dream, maybe. So this here, global transform. Oh, and this is going to be P transform, teleport to P, and then sit. And actually, does slow wake do what I'd rather it do? Where is slow wake even? Oh. Oh, and I just realized we already have... Oh, wait, no. Okay. This stuff here. Oh, I see. Where do I use slow wake other than here? Because I think what I should have actually is sit up, wake up. Through sit up, wake up. Because I think slow wake I don't need now. It's just going to be sit up. And that's going to do that. And then we'll also have, I guess, this stuff happen here. Yeah. Well. No, I'm confusing myself. I'm doing like a bunch of nonsense. Just make it work. That's all I need to do. Like, this is named wrong. Let's call it, like, Yeah, because this is the one that actually does the slow wake. Or slow wake is what actually plays the sitting up animation. But okay. Let's just try this again, because what it should do now is it'll do the player sits up. But I think it'd actually be better if they're standing already. Yeah, so you know what? Actually, Enter Dream will not have any of it. Well, it'll have the sit-up stuff, because that's not actually sitting up. Okay, we need this to be like sleep, fade in. So that I don't keep getting confused as to what it actually is. Because yeah, all it does is it fades in, it unlocks, dialogue is ready. And we actually can do fade in here. So yeah, Enter Dream actually doesn't need any of this. Let's just say unlock state dot fall. And then dialogue ready. Well, that's fine. We'll just teleport to here, and we'll fall, and then we'll fade in. And this way, it'd also be pretty easy to change. If we have different dreams, I can just teleport the player to a different location. Okay. And now it doesn't take 15 minutes to load in the game. And look at that. We sleep, and then eventually I'll do something with this. And then let's have for this, it's going to be custom entry, obviously. Oh yeah, now it has to take 15 minutes to load in the world, because the world is also way too slow. Okay, because all we need here is dialogue entry, the dream. Well, let's just call it dream. What is location? I guess let's call that dream as well. Oh, and let's also have, so this should only be here. The sleep. Global.stat dream. Or no, medium. What the heck should it be? It should be that you've activated the medium once. Activated. Medium / activated? Do I not? Huh? Like, where do we add this stat? Oh well. I guess I'll assume that it works. Okay, so this means that if you sleep after you've activated the medium, it'll then do this. And eventually, I'd like to imagine... So I think certain events won't trigger when you're sleeping. But that'll be fine. Or certain events can't trigger until you're awake, which means that actually... Because if the player does this more often, maybe they should just trigger as they are. Okay, some minor end game spoiler-ish stuff for this. So be warned. I'm gonna go through, where is entered work? So we need end game. But I'll try to be as quick as I can be. Ah, okay. We already have this. Okay, so I can just deal with that. Basically, there's some endgame stuff where you need to be at one of the specific mediums. Spoiler alert. So let's just have that here. Okay, so that is... You can now enter the dream. Sleeping teleports you to a dream room. Your sleep location is tracked in the stat, I guess. Yeah. You can either talk to Mum or leave. Leaving does the wake-up stuff. So let's do the wake-up stuff now. So that's going to be right here. Area. Oh, wait, no. It needs to be a static body. So this will be, no, this doesn't need any of these. Let's say, like, leave. And this has, what does it need? Layer 13? Maybe I should have made this... I could have made this a separate room. Actually, I guess it's not too late. I can just save this as a separate scene. Areas, the dream. And then I can come into here, and then I can actually like, zoom in on stuff. There we go. Because that was driving me kind of crazy, but I know why I had that way. Okay, but now we actually need... I guess that's fine. Because now we actually need this to propagate a signal outward. Take your time, Godot. Like, this isn't, like, I don't understand what the editor is even doing that it takes this much time to switch scenes. Okay, editable children. Because we need, this to be interactive. Leave green. Okay, so this will do... So we have sleep, wake up. So this should probably do player dot wake up. It's kind of a dumb system. Oh, and we also need to get the location. Just wake up. So we should do... Should we do a slow wake? Yeah, I think actually we need a different thing. We need a distinct thing now. In fact, ooh, I'm just realizing, oh wait, no, I know what I can do. So we can do if dream return else player.wake up, and then we'll do player.leave dream. False. Oh wait, we don't need that anymore. There's so many different things for sleeping. Okay, so for this one, we'll do fade out, yields, 3, and we can also just do fade out. Wait, no, that's fine. Get tree.create timer, 1, timeout, and then teleport to global stat. Where did we have our player? So where's enter dream? What is wrong with me? Okay, it's like, oh, it's so, there's so much code related to sleeping that it's not even on the same page. Okay, because we need to do a slow wake after this. And it actually should do this. So it should do slow wake. Sleep position. So yeah, we teleport to sleep position, and we should not actually have the fade out. So let's say fade true if fade that. So this will be the first time in history that we need that. Okay. So now, there should be a door that we can use to exit. We don't need that. And also, because I was thinking originally of yielding for a few seconds, but I think I probably will do that actually. Okay, so now we're here, and we're in our dream world, and we'll leave. And also I should have the UI. Okay, and then we wake up. And I should probably have it so that time doesn't advance when you're in here. How would I do that? I guess it would just be pause time, resume time, and also we need to have a way of disabling saving for a given chunk. Or for a given dialogue thing. I mean, I guess... I don't know, I guess that's fine. Hi, yeah. Yep, currently I'm working on a dream system. So leaving does the wake up stuff. So all of these seem to be working now. Because let's try this again. Let's see, new? As in, well, as in like literally 5 seconds ago it was enabled. Yeah, so now we're here. And also, so that means that I should actually set... Where do I set the player's transform? So when we teleport to in Slow Wake... Then that does the wake up, and that does save transform. Oh, I see. I think saving should always just save a checkpoint. Okay. So now we're here, and let's do... Yeah. Oh yeah, everything's invisible here because the game was broken. So let's just make this visible again. Hopefully that doesn't destroy the performance. Okay. So it's specifically when this chunk loads, for some reason there's like a weird issue where it'll take like a minute to actually load the scene because it'll just choke and die on some corrupted mesh for some reason until its shader compiles again. But one, I think there's supposed to be like a whole shader config system. So I don't know why that doesn't work, but oh well. So first thing I want is, I want this, this should probably be like 3 seconds instead. But yeah, now when we go to sleep we can be into this area. And we have cute little characters that we can talk to. And then we can just leave. And let's put into bugs, prompt should be below the fade color. In fact, I'll just fix that now, because that should be hopefully easy. Yeah, because I think it's because... Ooh, no, it won't be very easy, because I need the fade to be above... Or I need the fade to be below the pause menu, so that way you can still pause, but I need it to be above the gaming stuff. I mean, I guess what I could do is I could just have the fade be in the gaming UI. No, but it needs to be... I guess it doesn't need to apply for the dialog, or the status menu, debug menu, story time, custom UI. Okay, I think I can just put it here. And this will do what I want. Kind of. Yeah, presumably. And let's actually move this up. So now we're going to have a horrible new thing. So hopefully that doesn't break everything. But yeah, now this will be below all of these. And then we need to go back to here. So we don't need this. So fade in, fade out. This will now have gaming. I guess UI / gaming / fade. So I'll just have to really hope that I know how to do, or that I've set this up in a way that's not going to break everything else. Okay, because let's go to sleep again. Get out of that. Okay, now if I go to here, fades out. Perfect. And it shows where I was. Or it resumes where I was. Okay. So that is now that. Where's my thing? So, player can enter and leave the dream. And this now makes it trivial to come back to the medium, because you don't even really need to come back, you can just fall asleep and have the dream. Which admittedly sort of calls into question the entire purpose of the machine, if you can just fall asleep and do the same thing. But oh well. I guess maybe Jackie puts, like, supernatural importance on dreams. But okay, do I need... I'll just put this in features. That'd be nice, but it's not going to be, like, this thing. So there's distinct actions in her dreams. So this is another thing that's, I guess... Let's say that. So there's distinct actions in her dreams. Another thing that I think would be really useful here is the player getting a cell phone. So actually, I'm going to put that up here. Well, not here, but I'm going to put that in this tier of importance. Maybe I'll just implement the cell phone now. But okay, dialogue where Jackie realizes it's a dream. Jackie where Jackie realizes the medium remembers her dreams. Okay, some flag that indicates you're talking in a dream. So let's have... Let's go to... Where should we go? Major quests medium. The medium. And then we're going to do location. So this is the only place where this is used. Crazy. I swear there's something else where it was used. Minor spoiler alert. Actually, I know what I'll do. I'll just look for it. So what is that even called? So that there. I know, let's do... Okay, I found it. main speaker location. Okay. So now that should work there. So this should be impossible. Then let's do otherwise. Also, I don't like having conditions on the same line as dialogue anymore. So otherwise, main speaker location equals dream and not stat Jackie/dreams. Let's do, well, actually, let's do, I know what to do. For the game or for the other tools? Alright, let's do like main speaker dot location equals green. Yeah, I don't think it'd be really thematic for the game, because it doesn't have any really connection to older style computers. But I do think I should put more thought into a clear aesthetic, because right now it's vaguely book themed, but not in a really compelling or interesting way, because it has like the parallel lines of like gold trim. If we go to UI here, or if we go here, and if I figure out somewhere that actually shows it, because we got like this stuff here. But I think I should probably think more on how to make that look more interesting. Let's do notes, Jackie, dreams. Yeah, because it's mostly, like, the UI is kind of minimalist, but that's mostly just because I don't know how to design more UI. You know, like, it's minimalism as a cost-saving measure. But I'd like to do more research on different sort of graphical design influences that I can take from. Because admittedly, also, the UI here is doing a completely separate thing that I kind of am mixed on. Or there's like 4 different styles of things. Like, because like these bars here, down on the bottom and down in the top left, or yeah, they're just doing their own thing. But okay, let's just make sure that the journal notes work. Yeah, UI can be quite complicated. Right, let's also have, so this didn't seem right. And then here we should have now Yeah, that should be fine. Alright, let's have this. So if we do notes Jackie / that, notes Jackie / dreams, where mentions dreams. Player think talked to in a dream. And let's also have like completed. And this will be not completed. Actually, let's just do stat medium / dreams.
Received a telegram from Hyperion. You are committing a major act of treason. Remove your armament promptly, then surrender. Repeat. You are committing.
Thanks, yeah. Yeah, the icons came much earlier, so they don't really fit the style. What I'd like is more like an Illustrator style with, like, matching, like, parallel lines and things like that. And more like, maybe right angles and shapes like that. Okay, so here, notes, medium / dreams. Let's do this as, what would this be? Medium, quest? Okay, yeah. So the medium appears to remember my dreams, medium, quest. That makes sense. Yeah, I've been thinking about streaming for a while before I actually did it. Because there's not too much to be afraid of. Well, yeah. Because I've never actually had any sort of, like, bad interaction. But yeah, I can understand being anxious about it. Let's see. Medium dreams. The medium appears to remember my dreams. I guess that's enough for now. Let's say, like, do you... But yeah, I can... Yeah, the first step is definitely, like, the hard part, I think. Let's see, you come to the realization yourself. The medium scans your memories. Your dreams are memories as well. There's nothing stopping it. Or I guess, as far as it's concerned... Let's just say that. And actually, yeah, let's have both of these, but they're going to be optional branches to this. And then if you revisit this dialogue again, the branches are here. Which could be an interesting idea for, like, making conditionally contextual dialogue. But that sounds like a nightmare. I won't do that. Okay. So that just gives us the ability for the player to know what happened. Or, like, that the medium will remember what the player is talking about when they come back to the real thing. But we should actually have, like, and not main speaker. But let's do, like, Jackie/Dreams, where main speaker dot location equals dream. Yeah, the game has a lot of very complicated dialogue logic. Like well, I assume there's a lot of, like, bugs and stuff that I'm gonna have to figure out with just the sequencing of, like, what you can say and what NPCs keep track of and stuff like that. So that'll be probably the next few months of work, because I've plotted out until the end of November for mostly, like, story writing stuff. Though admittedly, I'm probably going to do a lot of, like, bug fixing and stuff on stream. Actually, I might have to formally reduce the amount of time that I spend on stream, since I don't like writing on stream. But okay, let's say, is this a dream? And then, yeah. Yeah, because a lot of the game, and a lot of the complexity I've found, is not even really in choices, but more in, like, sequencing. Because the player can do things in any order they want, so I have to make it all feel like a good story. Yeah, and I find it, because I've mentioned it before, but, you know, if I, like, try to fix a bug and don't fix it on stream, I don't, you know, that's one thing. But if I try to write a story and then it comes out badly on stream, that makes me feel like an idiot. Or that makes, you know, that feels a lot worse than, like, failing to reproduce a bug or making a model that doesn't look very good or something, because it feels more like a reflection of me as a person than anything like that. You know, to, like, make a story that comes across as, like, I don't know, bad or mean-spirited or unempathetic or something like that. So it gives a lot more performance anxiety, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, it's very much a similar thing. Like, because one of the side quests that I wrote on stream came out so badly that after the stream I was like, maybe I should just cut the writing and make a platformer. Or like a straight-on, like, no-story platformer. But then the next time I wrote it, it actually turned out pretty well. Because that's the story that became, yeah. Because, yeah, I think I like rapidly gyrate between feeling like the smartest person in the world for writing and feeling like a complete idiot. Oh yeah, so I'm supposed to do this now. Because now I can ask the medium. Oh, and we should also have notes medium / dreams. And this will do dreams as well. And we'll have this one. Yeah, because that's a lot of what this... Yeah, because now this basically... The game right now is kind of in its entire first pass. But okay, let's see if I can use... Oh yeah, I can use those. Let's use a note. So, I think... we should have down here... So I think I talked to my mom in a dream. My mother. So medium, west. So that way I can get that easier. Oh, right, you can't actually talk to... Right, I forgot. The entire conceit of that dialogue is, it's not the real dialogue until you actually go back to the medium. So I should probably also have, like... that it feels unnaturally consistent. Yeah, so if we do a note here... Not quite. Let's see. A lot of this stuff I don't actually need the player to know, I guess. Why does this not work? Oh wait, it's not. Because it's stat colon. Yeah, like, because this stuff with the medium here, it's more optional. Because this is just asking the NPC about the dreams. Yeah. Yeah, because I think with a lot of the game, I want it to be stuff that you can just stumble into. And every player will stumble into some of it, but they don't need to stumble into all of it to have an interesting time. And because I think nowadays with the internet, if there's any interesting secrets that players won't find, they can probably, or someone will probably mention it in like a YouTube video or something like that. I mean, unless the game doesn't get any attention at all, which I suppose I should count on as well, or like account for, but that's fine. Okay, and those two, those are interesting questions, but I'll have to expand on those later. Oh wait, why is this here? Why did that happen twice? Did I not put a... Oh, I know why. Because I need this here. Okay, so that gives us some flags that indicate you're talking in a dream. Okay, so we got the dream now. So some subset of things. At least put in the major quests. Should I put in these? Oh yeah, this should be here. Yeah, let's go to bug fixing. So let's see. Let's get on the bingo card. Do I have... I do. Get embarrassed while writing and stop. Because yeah, that's basically all of the writing I can handle on stream. Implemented dream. Or like, dream dialog. I'm curious how many words this story is going to have. I mean, admittedly, a lot of them are going to be mostly redundant, like just variations on the same thing. But it's probably going to be, like, a lot. Because I'm honestly thinking, potentially in the, like... Well, I'm pretty sure it's already in the tens of thousands. Because, like, you know, this one... You know, if we averaged 2 lines, or 2 words per line, that'd still be 2,000 words, and it's a lot more than that. Yeah, I've been thinking about, like, what localization would look like, and I think the easiest way... Well, I don't know if that'd be very easy at all. Because I was thinking, like, maybe they'd have to just, like, edit these files, but maybe I should just put all of these in Excel sheets. But that'd be... Because if I have to put these in Excel sheets, that'd basically triple the amount of work that I have to do every single time I write a line. Because I'd have to, like, make sure that... Or I'd have to, like, you know, edit this, then find the old version in, like, an Excel sheet, swap it out with a new version, or, like, insert it into a new thing. That'd be a nightmare. Yeah, I think it might wind up being just an English-only game, unless it gets, like, an ungodly amount of money. Like, if I make, like, $100,000 on the game, then it'd be realistic to consider, like, localizing it to one other language, or, like, 2 other languages or something. I'd have to think also what languages would be the best fit for it. Because China and Japan are 2 big games markets, so they'd be obvious bets. Probably Spanish as well. Because that's another big language with a lot of, I don't know, economic activity. Yeah, French would also be a good one. Because I know, and also I know Arabic is very widely spoken, but I don't know if they have much of a games economy. But okay, I should actually start doing work now. Because let's go to bug fixes. Or maybe I'll do some more of the dream stuff. Well, what I'll do is, let's say Jackie eyes get bloodshot as you if you don't sleep. NPCs can comment your lack of sleep. There's a UI and tutorial for sleeping. or there's a UI for your tiredness, and tutorial prompt for sleeping. Okay, let's fix more of these bugs. Player draws gun when exiting dialogue. Let's see if I can even repeat this, because I've had trouble reproducing this bug. Oh yeah. I almost forgot what I was playtesting. But okay, so if I talk in dialogue here... interesting. Okay, so it's specifically the medium. Player draws the gun when exiting the medium. So that is a good sign. Because that tells me probably something to do with the illusory room. Also, while I'm in here, let's say for features dream, a unique, or like unique rooms in the medium when dreaming. And then also unique rooms the medium when not dreaming. Because the dreams shouldn't take all of the fun from the actual proper medium. I'm getting confused by my own stuff. Okay. Let's figure out what the room does when the player exits. So when we end dialogue, the player set visual position. So that seems normal. So what do we do when we exit? So if mentioned mum, stand calm. Dialog viewer. Exit anim. Exit state animation. And then exited anim. Okay, so then we do this. Set state locked waiting. Okay, so I think we're getting closer. So locked waiting. So that locks the gun. Okay, so I think... what do we do when we're dialogue locked? Holster? Maybe this is what I should do instead. Okay, I think this actually is what I want. Okay, that was exactly it. Basically, when we leave, or when we enter dialogue, we actually holster the gun. So that way when you exit dialogue, you don't immediately draw it again. Unlike these ones where it locks the gun, which means that you can't shoot it, but you're still holding it, basically. Okay. So let's do fix drawing your gun in the medium. So sometimes the game just starts up as a slideshow. That one's going to be forever. Visited nodes don't seem to be updating in dialog. Oh, right. This was with visited blocks. But I think they have been. I'll ignore that one for now. Let's go to 12 and fix the bubble. Oh wait, now we just have, oh wait, no, we don't have just a regular fountain. We have this one. So let's get the, what do we have? There we go, okay. So when it's saved, save, so where's the bubble? So on saved. So if parent has signal saved. Okay. There we go. So this should work now. Oh yeah, also, I should make sure that the, I'll do two things. Let's reset the game. And then we're going to try sleeping here, see what the sleeping is like without the medium. Aha. Doesn't quite work, does it? So that's because it needs to do that. Okay, so what we should do is when the player exits, or when the player wakes up, we should do if get free dot current scene dot has method update. What would it be actually? Let's wait 15 minutes while this loads up. Take your time, video game. Okay. So what we need is... Oh wait, I guess I didn't even... Dang it. I still don't need the actual method, because all I need is update player last position. What did we used to do when the player did this? So this is ready. Pause and load, update terrain POV. So let's load nearby chunks, activate or update active chunks. Well, I know what to do. Sleep fade in. Yeah, there's a few different variations of getting mad at the video game. Actually, have I done one of them? Set a sentence, forget it, take a screenshot. So yeah, these two are classics. Yeah. I think at some point I should probably also put positive things on the bingo board to sort of incentivize, because I've realized I'm actually kind of incentivized to do the things just to have content or to make the bingo board do stuff. So I should put things like, I don't know, fix 5 bugs or write more than I expected to. But okay. We need the wake up function. Oh, okay, that's supposed to do this. Did I put this in the wrong place? Oh, wait. Because this... Huh. Oh, wait, I see. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in... Where's the exit dream? Wait, but this should do that. Because it does that, and then that does... Why do I have 4 different functions called wake up? I have wake up, awake at, slow wake, and wake up with an underscore, and sleep fade in, and leave dream. I was like, why is this? Okay, let's go through these one at a time. So I think what I need is function sit up. So this will be, we're unlocked, we play this, and then we don't do that. We'll just do sit up, and that, and then wake up. And we should also have then sleep fade in. So this should like be like update world. I think, yeah. Or let's do that. And then let's do this here as like okay, so when you wake up, it updates the world and then save. Let's just like waking save false. And this will be waking save. So this is going to be startup. So wake startup. And the difference between this and the other thing, so wake up, wake startup. So we sit up, then we do this, then we do the waking save. In fact, I don't even think we need to do the waking save because this is just for the startup, literally. So we can just do that. Let's rename this to waking fade in. And do we actually need this to do anything? Yeah, I guess that's fine. Let's just remove that. Okay. So then when we exit a dream, it's going to do the probably, oh wait, yeah, it'll fade out. And it'll do like 2 seconds. Then we'll do the teleport to, update world, slow wake, no, sit up, and waking save. And this will be wake startup. False. Wait, why does this not have the... Oh, I see. This doesn't need that. And you know what? Let's say that most of the time we actually do heal when we wake up. Okay. Awake at. So for this one, I guess it's just going to be... Honestly, we could just do awake at global stat sleep position. And we're just going to do a teleport to. I guess maybe. Set, saved, transform. Okay, so that does the fade in. Oh, so we... The entire reason... Oh wait, I don't need that. I can just do this. I added this variable, even though literally the only thing that we need is this. Though I guess we... Ah well. You don't have velocity when you're sleeping. So awake at T, waking save through, maybe. Okay. So when we leave the dream, we fade out, and then we just teleport or wake up at a position that we were in. Yeah, because the way the sleeping works is you have to sit down before you can sleep. But okay, now it's a bit clearer where things are. In fact, I could do... Let's yield here. Well, no, that's fine. Okay, let's see if this works any better. Video game is taking its sweet time. Okay. Didn't work. So why did it not work? So we have sit up, block false, force play sleep end. Then we time out, and then we fade in. Should unlock us to state sitting. And also, why is the laser visible but the gun isn't? Is another question. Hang on. Let's just go through git diff. What have I done wrong? Like, what have I mangled here? What did I even do? Diff areas. Like, what is this? This is a very helpful git log. Actually, what on earth is this variable? There's a navigation mesh in here? Oh, I see. Funny. Good enough. That's on the bingo card as well. Nonsense git commit message. Wait, isn't it? Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay, now let's go through this. Figure out what I did wrong. Because we have wake startup. So slow wake. What slow wake did was it locked you. Force play sleep end. Get a timer, then wake up with a heal. And waking, the underscore wake up was replaced with waking save. So that just does if healer blah heal, global save, then sleep fade in. Ah, I see. Okay, I think waking fade in should be what we have there. Oh wait, but we have it. Wait, what did wake startup do, or slow wake do that we're not doing now? I guess it did underscore wake up. Wait, I don't understand how... What am I looking at? Oh, I see. So this sits up. So that does... Hang on. Did I move things around? I should unmove them around. What did I just change? Why did this change? What even is this? Did I add this? Okay, let's see if this makes this a little bit more cohesive. Okay. Not really. Well, kind of. Okay, because sit up does lock false, mesh force play sleep end. And then we yield for 0.1 seconds, and then instead of waking up, we do the waking fade in. And wake up does the waking save. I guess we do waking save, then wake fade in. But this doesn't seem like it'd even be true. Like this doesn't make any sense. Because wake up and wake startup are now almost identical. Oh wait, I know what it is. I can't have the timeouts. So like any of these, so none of, let's have it so that like none of these have timeouts for now. Well, go to sleep can have them. Do any of these other ones have timeouts? Yeah, so leave dream, that makes sense. Then the rest of these. Yeah, I think those timeouts are gonna, or those yields are gonna mess things up. Interesting. Why is this broken? Oh, wait. I see exactly why. Because this was wrong. Wait. Is this different code? No, it just looks different because I removed the, other thing. Or because I removed the timeouts. Which, admittedly, I don't actually know if that's correct. I feel like this should work. Okay, now, because now it's just not correct. Basically, when the player goes to sleep and then exits the game. So, like, if I sleep here... Well, first of all, the video game should exist. So, like, why isn't that working? Okay, and that's not correct either. This is what I get for rewriting things. Okay, so if I sleep out here... Okay, so that works. And then... So did the... What does the update world do? So I guess... Let's double check that this actually works. Did it? Video game debugger broke. Wait, why did it work that time? I hate video games. And now my F8, like, F8 to unload the game doesn't work. So maybe we actually do need this here. Get, you're like... Get tree, create timer, I guess just one and then timeout. Let's see if it's some sort of like race condition. Okay, updating the world, great. Why is the world not updated then? Why does it alternate? How the fuck does it alternate? And also, why is it sometimes? What does this mean? Why would it be doing that? It's like sleep, leave dream, wake up. So if we wake up and we pause and load, so let's go to pause and load. Load nearby chunks, update loaded chunks. So let's pause. So we don't actually need this, do we? Because that does both of those. Hmm. Hmm. What have I changed? Because the only thing I can think of is now, when we do the sleep here, it used to immediately, or it used to do this. So let's do like, maybe a yield, get free, dot create timer, like 1. So if I sleep again, it's going to do this again. Because there's no evidence. What? Was that it? Was that all I needed? Hang on. So I think now we don't need any timeouts here. So leave dream, that's fine there. Meditate, that's fine. Go to sleep, wake up. So this wake up here doesn't need that, I guess. Because yeah, I think it must have been, for some reason, unloading the chunks, there needs to be at least a frame. Oh, it's probably because it queue frees them. And so when we add them to the tree again, it messes something up. Or they're still queued to be freed, I guess. That would make sense. I don't know if it's true. But okay. That works. And now I can do item capacitor. Oh wait, typing nonsense, writing gibberish words is in here. Important. bingo. One of these days we will get a bingo. On stream, live on stream. Yes, we need this. There's some jank there. I don't know yet what happens when I get bingo. I'll have to decide what it is. But okay. Oh wait, no. Now I need to sleep. Because then we should go to the dream. And then it should, at some point, oh, it did, it just didn't fade in properly. Okay, so that is awake at, oh, because I didn't do a waking fade in. So if I just load this again. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what I do on bingo. I give myself $1. It's my prize for winning. But okay, let's see if this now works, because I should just be able to come to the medium. Hey, look at that. Okay, so now this seems like it works again. So I guess I'm trying to turn off this little, there's a little fan underneath me that I'm turning off. Okay. So that was, oh right, I was supposed to be testing. I forgot what I was playtesting. Hang on, is that on the bingo card? It is. Oh wait, I clicked the wrong thing. Computer. 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 I'm trying to play here, game. Why did it stop working? Oh, okay. Wait, how did I switch tools? Whatever. But okay. Let's teleport to 12. The thing that I need is to make sure that the thing works. And you can enjoy this extremely dark gameplay. Well, let's just set the time to like 5. So we get a little bit of visual interest here. There we go. So now it'll actually do that little bubble when you're saving to add it. Okay, that was the thing that I was supposed to playtest. Yeah, I like how the game looks in the dark. It's just that on stream, it seems to be even darker than it is in the game. So it's like literally impossible to see. Like, I've actually brightened up the stream slightly, so it could be better. But yeah, I was like, people couldn't see anything at all. Mm-hmm. So this is going to be fix the player sleeping. And then there he is. A bubble for you. Okay, sometimes game. Okay, let's put this one at the bottom. Visited blocks don't seem to be updating dialogue. What does this mean? Like, because I guess I can try doing some of the quests and seeing if I see anything weird. Because I'll have to make sure that I'm paying a special eye on the little notification widgets. Oh right, I did also have issues with Riley, where she had notifications for nodes that didn't actually, like, exist. Or somebody. But okay, let's go to Strange Girl. Okay, so we should have some interesting quest stuff happening. And then that. Oh wait, hang on. Oh wait, okay, yeah. I was speedrunning, but Jackie, by default, was not interested in, looking for this girl. Okay, so I should have... So if I do this... why did that do that? Because she instantly exited her dialogue. Side content on 37. Well, first off, notes, Strange Girl food. Okay, that was just because these were not set up correctly. In fact, why do I have the notes up here? Okay, that should be fine. Oh wait, no, it shouldn't be fine. Because that's the notifications are exactly what I'm testing, so if I do it, so I'm not going to be able to test it until I actually test it. Let's do this. Strange Girl. Wait, why is this? Oh, wait, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, so now the special dialogue has disappeared there. So let's do tons of that crap. Okay, and now that's there, and that should be fine. I don't need that. There should have been a there should have been... Okay. Lily. Teleport. Did not do the fade out or fade, or did not do a fade in. For some reason, for some godforsaken reason, the fade out and fade in have now broken on this, which I guess would make sense. Oh, I know why. Because we... Okay. Let's go to Lily. Start game. Yeah, this needs to be an exit plus. This needed to be here anyway. Because this was exactly the thing that broke because of what I'm doing. Or broke because of what I changed with the fade, where you can't fade out in dialogue anymore. Where's Lily? There we go. Broke. Game broke. Video game has stopped functioning. How did video game not work? Okay. How did I completely break this? So, like, one, this is supposed to be gone now. Why it not work? Okay, let's go to the player. Or Lily. Start climb. Why? Okay, dialog viewer. If code. Okay. So what is the code here? You know what? Let's put the debug code broke in the fucking thing. Because the debugger just stops working half the time. Oh wait, no. Let's put that on the bingo card. Where's my... There it is. Items. So we need widgets. What? Okay. Debugger broke. And let's also get our little toolbars out. And I'll leave that on this side. So now, you will enjoy those in here. But okay, let's try it again. And see if the code actually works, and see if I can actually see things in the debugger this time. Yeah, next engine I use, I'm not using like a hokey custom scripting language. I'm using something with a debugger that works consistently. Okay, so let's see. Where is... So in locals, So where's exit state? Alright, so code is here. So main speaker dot start climb. So why is that not working? This is here. This is the code that should be executing. It's not executing. Oh, fuck me. It's because the exit. It's because the exit is here. Wait, no, that doesn't make any sense. Hang on. Wait, no, it could make sense, actually. Let's go to NPC Lily. Let's go to start climb. So we need to... So we do this, queue free, get node climbing path, start. So how do we... when do we... Or when does Lily get here? Okay, that's all fine. On monument equals false. Custom entry Lily climb. So this all should be fine. Okay, no. So this is all good. We don't have this exit here. Because first off, we're not even calling this. So why is this... It's so simple. I've done this 1,000 times. Why is the exit plus... We literally use it in this thing. Oh, wait, hang on. No quotes. Let's see, is that on the bingo card? I'm looking for... The hard bug was an easy typo. Well, whatever. Now I have the disappointment when a rare event happens and it's not on the bingo card because I have so many different things that I can put on there now. Yeah, maybe I should have good bingo and evil bingo. And good bingo will be like, you know, fixing the bugs and things. Like, fix all of the bugs for a day. Alright, let's get this plane up this goddamn cliff. Okay. So now that is working. So now I'll have to make sure... I mean, I know there are other instances of dialogue fading out. So let's just put that on here as like a check for fade out bugs. Because admittedly, I don't actually know the real solution that I need. I guess maybe I could have the gaming UI have a Z index that's lower than the other UI. Okay, I just need to make this part slightly easier. Don't I have that in here as like a thing that I can do? Yeah, this part's just kind of annoying. And also I found out that's just an easier way, like, of doing this climb. Okay, now there's actually a checkpoint. So if I go back here, yeah, now it actually saves properly. And I don't think I can actually do that climb. So yeah, this part of the route I also think is kind of dumb. Because you have to go around there, then jump down. But okay, we have... Alright. Let's use an item. No, okay. And eventually I'll make this also, like, control half decently. But okay, that's enough of that. There we go. So yeah, and this part, still janky and hokey. Yeah. Wait, why am I still sliding? Like I'm off of this. I thought I fixed this. Okay, where is this? What if I just did global, or let's do like global.player .ground. Right now. Why are we attached to the plane? The plane is not the thing that I'm on. Wait, I removed this code. What the fuck did I do? I literally removed that code like last stream. Did I like not commit it properly? Yeah, I guess so. I just don't know. Wait, hang on. Let's do get blame. Player. L. Oh, I know why I did it. It was because I was using get blame. Players, comma, scripts. Player.gd. Okay, yeah. And that's why, because I wanted to do this. And then somehow I didn't and then I forgot to actually, okay. Hang on. Don't I have that like the bug was from last stream? I don't think I do. But I will say this probably counts as unplanned work. So I'll put that there. Okay, yeah, because I was going back to June 6th to try and figure out why this idiotic code was in place. And then I undid the code, or undid my fix for it. Mhm. Fixed some Lily bugs. Okay. So we have, I think this is one I don't see the issue. Dang, and failing to reproduce a bug is not on the to-do list, or not on the bingo card. So I'll just say, I don't see it. I should probably have like a day when the task was created on here. That'd be good. Let's go to my to-do list actually. So let's create a task. Ability. Wait, I think this one's done. Oh, so let's add track the dates a task was made. Yeah, because I'm trying to figure out. I'll need, because I want the day that I made particular tasks, so that way, if I have no idea what it is, I can just look back at the stream and figure out when I actually made it. That'd actually be super useful in conjunction with the streams. But okay. Death nets fly around inconsistently when you approach. So disable equipment UI if you have no equipment. This would be good. Because right now, if I press and hold Q. Yeah, because I already do that on like sometimes I do that. But yeah, it'd be doubly useful if I have days for individual tasks. Okay, so now if I do Q, so yeah, that should not be there. So let's go to the player. Select equipment. Select equip. Yeah. Global stat last equipped item. Okay, so that's fine. So if choosing item. Okay, so I guess, where do I set choosing item? Okay, so if mode.data, choose.time. So let's do and equipment inventory. Okay. So and not equipment dot empty. And let's use English because I like English. Okay, so now if I hold Q, oh, right, equipment underscore inventory. Okay, so now that does nothing. And if I press I, so that should also do nothing. So let's go to show inventory. So update equipment. So if equipment empty, turn. I think. Wait, does this... I know what to do. Game.show inventory. So let's do... I guess... Equipment? If... Let's do that, maybe? Because now we should be able to go here, and we'll do not equipment inventory dot empty. There we go. Okay, so now if I press I, it doesn't show that. Good. And we should probably have it so that all of the inventory also is synchronized to the same amount of time. I'll put that as a lower priority bug though. So let's like make and fade in sync. And honestly, that'll just be lower. Oh, wrong thing. Okay, so let's make sure that this actually works. So if I did rapid start, now we have these, and then if I do this, beautiful. Okay, so that seems to work. Fix, showing empty equipment UI. Okay. Death nuts fly around inconsistently when you approach. This honestly is going to be difficult because I basically just... Wait, what? Huh. Wait, I can actually put things here now. Have I always been able to do... So there's like a very subtle distinction between putting this at the top and putting it at the bottom. I didn't know that I could do that. I just thought it was broken. Okay, so this is going to be in NP Godot, so it'll be here. Because that's my full, like, crazy thing. So if all of our NPCs try to ledge grab ceilings. Make projectiles resume after... So that's going to be, honestly, a could ship. Make gravity bodies use a fixed height instead of an initial velocity. I think this is kind of less important. Tutorial Tyler is broken. Make turtle and probably all other enemies. Yeah, because that would be like here as well. Because this is going to be a lot of work. I think this one... Let's put that... Oh, wait, no. That's... Oh, God, I forgot about all of these bugs. Yeah, let's put these from... Work with the player on them. This would be good. Because I think it's because... So if we go to the baubles... So I think these have a group. Hard push always. So what does that do? So gravity stunned. So if collision and not elevator and not collider. Now let's reevaluate this. So I think it should be just this. Uh... Hmm. Well, and not collision.collider. Isn't group collision always. Well, I guess we can just put the player in the push group. Oh, they're already in here. So it should do that. Oh wait, no, I see. It's because it removes the velocity, so that shouldn't be there. Basically what it should do is, if there's a collider, but it's in the group push, we translate. Or we push up. Otherwise, and then we just do the rest of this stuff. Basically this means we push past the object that we've collided with. Let's see. I guess I can test this in 141. Alright, so if I'm on top of one of these, there we go. Now video game exists. Now it functions. Okay, so that works. This one, I guess I'll put that later because it'll be complicated. I don't want to do complicated things 2.5 hours into a 4-hour stream. Because yeah, what else can I do today? Because I got plenty of bugs. Plenty more bugs. Climbing into a crouch-tized hole can kill you. I forget where I tested that, but it'd be good. Using the wardrobe should show the mouse. Let's do that. Huh? I can always just start what? I think I forgot what I said. But okay, let's do interact. That's not right. Is this right? Wait, hang on. Why is this? What? What is this? Oh, wardrobe UI. So... okay, body.ui.openCustom. So with this, we can do something. I guess let's do input.mousemode equals yeah, true. But I don't want to do it. So I simply don't. Because it's also because I assume those will take most likely take longer than 1.5 hours to fix. And I don't want to be here until like 11 at night. And I also don't want to like have them like half finished and forget what I was doing and have basically like nothing to commit. But okay, let's actually figure out... right, let's go to here. Okay, so now it actually does that. Oh, but then when we leave, it needs to do set active false. So when we exit, if player, so how do I do this now? Oh, I know. If not, pause menu. Input.mouse mode equals input.mouse mode. Yeah, exactly. It feels good to have, like, to do the fast work. Okay, so now, if I exit out of this, I was hoping it would do that. So does this not do that then? What do I do when I press escape? UI cancel, go back. So then that does exit. So then that should do this. I guess maybe it's because I need to restart the game. Okay. I think it was just I needed to save the UI first. No, actually it wasn't. Why is this doing that? Where am I setting it from? So this... Oh, I know. It's because this is where it's being set from. So let's do set mode gaming. So let's do like if custom UI dot has method and UI dot has method. Actually, I have a good idea. Why doesn't this just set the game mode? Or why doesn't this just do this? Wait, why isn't this just setting it? So why isn't this just setting the UI mode properly? I guess we can do like, oh wait, I know. Because it shouldn't be active, it should be this. Nope. Let's see, save state stuff. Yeah. Okay, there we go. That one... Oh, I see. The debugger is just broken. Still. Okay, using the wardrobe should mention the pause menu wardrobe. Let's say... Do I want that in here? So welcome to the wardrobe, customize your outfit here. And let's have pause int. This is also available in the pause menu. I did not realize that this thing could change like this. How do I make it not? Hang on. Size flags. Fill, expand. I have no idea how to fix that. Other than just pressing... Let's just put this here. Also available in the pause menu, and that means that this cannot be shrunk. In fact, this should probably shrink by default. Yeah, there's some character customization. And let's see, let's have this in main menu box pause hint. Enter. So like main menu box pause hint visible equals pause menu. And also, while I'm here, let's make it so that the pause menu does not try anything crazy and fancy with like skipping to a particular thing. Yeah, let's just do main menu show, submenu hide, grab focus. Because that's had its fair share of bugs as well. Right, while we're here, let's also double check that sleeping still works. Oh, okay. Why is it so wide? Like this box is not, it does not need to be nearly that wide. Shrink, please. Like, no, I don't think we need any min sizes. And we're gonna have like that. Okay. Let's do the classic. Yeah, there's some weird things with the Godot containers, and they don't update properly at the right time. Like, they don't update in the editor until, like, you save and reload and stuff like that, so it's just very weird. In fact, we can double check. Okay, so now this is the correct size. Alright, and we can also double check here. This is also available in the pause menu, not... Oh, wait. I mixed it up. This thing should be visible, and it's not pause menu. There we go. Wait, what happens if I enter the wardrobe and then pause? Oh, wait, I see. It just exits the wardrobe. I was thinking, I thought one step ahead of myself there. Okay, using wardrobe, should mention that. Let's do... entities. Oh wait, what did I just do? Okay. Make things not stop for push items. Gravity stuff. And then some wardrobe UI improvements. And then what was the other one that I was doing? So this one would be nice. Shooting projectiles should not have dust plumes. I guess I could just make a metal for now. So let's go to the projectile. So if we just put this in the group, if we put this in like here, I think that should work. Okay, and soon what I'll need to do is player should not go from standing to sitting when waking up on startup. Because that was a bug that I had grappled with, and it took me ages for some reason to figure it out last time I did it, so I don't want to do it now. Oh, I forgot. This is in the map. Okay, let's go to somewhere that'll have enemies that I can shoot their guns or projectiles. So let's see if I can shoot. There we go. What if I put something like silent impact? I'll just do that, and let's have bumps. And let's pause the game. So let's do impact on. If node, or if surface dot is in group, silent impact return. Oh, I know what it is, probably. Let's exit there. What's on the bingo card? So the easiest way to get a bingo: start a sentence and forget to finish it, take a screenshot for paint overs and don't paint over it. What are some other ways that we could get bingo? The other ways, it seems like there's only other 3+. And I don't see a chance of those. Okay. So now there's no impacts at all, which I think suits these nicely. Because the other impacts were kind of distracting from the fact that you're shooting the projectiles out of the air. And the interesting thing is, if you just hold the right mouse button, you can actually just do all of the platforming. And I kind of like the look of the game from the over-the-shoulder perspective. But I think the only downside of it is that it makes walking forward kind of confusing. Because you always feel like you're walking slightly to the left. Like I'm holding forward, but I feel like I'm going to the left, obviously. So I think you'd have to do some weird thing with like the perspective of it. Okay. So, and dot, and no dust for projectiles. So that is somewhere in here, right here. So these are like big projects, these repairs. Why did I make... Oh, right, yeah. Place hover scooter in 126 with some other useful thing. That'd be good. Just a nice little thing here. Because right now... Well... After I get the motorcycle. Yeah, I think that's enough bugs for now. I do need to do first pass stuff. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to call it here, and then I'm going to start working on the rest of this stuff off stream. Well, actually, no. I'll do the cell phone on stream. So let's make a placeholder UI for it. So let's use usable. So where's our icons for usable items? So UI icons. Why do I have these like laid out like this? That's dumb. Okay. What are the size of these though? 200 by 200. Let's get a Nokia phone. And you know what? Let's also get the magic wand here. Okay, so this is now, let's go to jams, Jak 4, project, UI, icons, item, phone. And this will be placeholder. Actually, let's just put it in here. There we go. Because now we can have a usable here. So how do these work? Lantern extends usable. Oh, I like that. Okay, so we don't even need these. What do I need though? New script. Cell phone. Usable. So function init. So how do these work. Okay. Icon equals. Let's close other tabs and then let's reopen this. So that way I have just what I need. Preload, UI, icons, item, phone. Can't preload resource at path. Well, why can't you? UI slash icons slash. Did I? Oh, it's here. Item phone.png. Oh, I know. It's relative path. Okay, and then we'll have like a var phone dialog equals ts. What is b actually? Equals preload res dialog side content payphone. Yeah. Well, actually, let's get the payphone and let's move it to not be in there. Let's just have it here. And then we can have like a usable. Wait, hang on. I put it in the dialog folder, and it's not in the dialog folder. No, Godot, you can do it. It's here. Okay. Phone dialog dot enter. What would we do? Player dot start dialog. How do we do this? Yeah, player dot start dialog self dialog get node. So this needs to be, what is it? So this is resource. So let's do can use. Can use will be player dot can talk. Player player phone dialog. Player phone, or let's do like cell phone, or like entry cell. So this will be now, if we go to dialog and go to payphone, hang on, Sublime can't handle things moving. Okay, so let's go to payphone. Or entry cell. Let's say put phone away. Okay. So let's see if this works. Because what it should do is, once we get it, we should just be able to call NPCs on the phone. And it won't work because we don't have any NPCs that we can call right now, but we can get a few real quick. Okay, item, cell, phone. Okay, so it at least does that. Let's do this. Oh, wait. Okay. There we go. And then we have that. Main speaker.start dialog. Oh, okay. So we need a sort of like fake node here, I think. How do we do the lantern again? Tool extend spatial. So that's the... Okay, I see. No, I don't see, actually. So where's this at? Player.lantern.light enabled. I guess let's just get the scene. Like, let's just... For scn equals get free dot current scene. Oh wait, that's not the right thing that I want. We're just gonna do that. Scene, scene. NP sequence does not match the variable's type NP sequence. It does. I see it. Let's see, is the dialogue the same as when you go to them? Yeah, basically, for the phone, I might have some minor differences if it makes sense, like I'll have some sort of special flag. Well, actually, I do literally have a special flag where, like, you enter the dialogue and it'll put you into a phone branch. But then, otherwise, the dialogue is the same as the rest of it. Okay, let's just get this. So that's not... Godot isn't smart enough to figure out that NP sequence and NP sequence are the same thing. Oh, and here we need to do player.getTree.current scene. Yeah, because it would be interesting to also have things like if they have different dialogue based on where you are. But that was too complicated, so I won't. And also I see this doesn't work, so just make it not work. I don't care. Like, the only times I use the dynamic typing in Godot are when it can't figure out the proper type, because it's like a pretend programming language. Video game. Okay, so what am I even testing? Right, item, cell, phone. Okay. Put phone away. If you remember someone called let's get some quotes in here. Oh, right. This is exactly what I want. And now I should probably have a custom thing for this. What I want. Oh, wait. Let's actually test with, how should I test? Let's teleport to 1 and 3. So we can get Riley. Do that. There we go. Okay, so now we can talk to her. Push these up. Yeah, so that dialogue needs to be worked in a lot more organically. Let's teleport to 141. Oh wait, in this one, actually, I think I already got the capacitor. Or no, I was just testing in here. Yeah, so let's get that. And this is where the dialogue here starts to fall off a cliff because I just didn't want to write it. Hello, Riley. Riley from video game. Okay. Because now we can actually call Riley. So where is Riley? Yes. Oh, it didn't work. Why did it not work? Failed to execute main speaker switch 2. Oh. Right, because this doesn't have switch 2. So let's go to the payphone. So this should actually be now in here. So we need cell phone, switch 2. Oh god, how do we do this? I think we just need a fake node. Let's do that. Or no, cell phone. So let's add a new script here. Cell phone node. Class name cell phone node. Extends node. This will do basically everything a payphone would do. In fact, I should probably just have the payphone. Ah, well, I won't. Let's do dialog F. Do we need anything else? Yeah, we do. Okay. Well, because the payphone does other things, like ringing and stuff. And it also implies a physical location. Yeah, so then I'd have to like extract out a bunch more logic. But yeah, eventually it'd be better to have the payphone and the cell phone have the same like phone logic composited in. Yeah, but then it's just like writing more code to do less stuff. But let's see. Where was I? All right, I need so when we equip this, or we should have like a var phone node as a phone node dot new. All right, that maybe. What the? There. Okay, so that will work because then we'll do like function equip player dot add child phone node and function and equip new child phone node, and then we can do phone node here. And then this should all work out. Maybe. Okay, so now let's use an item. No. Use a note. Riley. Yes, I would like to call Riley. Okay. So now, oh, right. And now we actually need to have the payphone here. So let's say var payphone false. So yeah, I think pretty soon export bool var it's true, and we'll also have cell phone, so init phone no dot payphone was false. All right, so let's see where this is. So yeah, let's see here if global, or no, main speaker dot payphone So I'm calling from a payphone. Otherwise, right, I suppose okay. So let's go. So the cell phone, let's just put in here cell phone. Make sure dialog is consistent. Natia, when she asks you to call Yomi. Riley, Persephone. Because there's a bunch of dialogue that I could do there. Okay. Okay. Because now, Riley can actually tell you where she is, and... Oh. Let's... Backspace. Yeah. It's weird. Okay. But let's have also, pretty soon, cell phone animation when Jackie gets up. 'Cause that's a nice... This is just a nice little functional feature, because this means that the player doesn't have to find the characters when they actually get some level of, like, completion in their quest or something. They can just call them. And then that'll provide a whole host of bugs for me, because I'll have to remember that any line of dialogue could potentially be gotten without the player being in physical, like, space next to the player, or next to that character. That'll be fun. But okay, the rest of these I want to do off stream, because I'm going to be working on this tomorrow. And then I'll be back Sunday. And I think on Sunday, I'll just have to put big old spoiler windows and do like a big play test, including the end game. Well, what should I do? I don't want to do that. Maybe I'll just not stream on Sunday, and I'll do the playtest on my own. That'd be good. And potentially, what I might do is try an interesting thing where I just record the video anyway. Yeah. Because playtesting is always tricky for me, because I want to read through everything to make sure nothing sounds off, but I feel like that'd be, one, quite boring for viewers, and two, spoil basically all the ideas that I have in their, like, least competent presentation. Because, like, if I'm going to spoil something, it should at least look cool. But, you know, right now, with none of the dialogue animations or anything, it's not going to look very good. But okay, let's do this. I think all of this is just cell phone. Yeah, I think, well, when it's close, maybe when it's closer to completion. Or maybe when it's actually done, and then I'll force people to buy it. But I think that'll be it for today. Oh, wait. Yeah, not many spoilers today. Yeah, I think next time... Yeah, I think I'll probably be back... I'll be back Sunday or Wednesday. Well, if I'm not here Sunday, I'll be here Monday. Might as well do that. Because, yeah, I'll either do a full playtest on stream or a full playtest off stream. And, like, patch up all the different story bits that I want. Yep, I always work on... I almost always do streams on... Or no, not streams. I work off stream on Saturdays. There's, like, a game dev meetup I always go to. And then I usually do 4 to 6 hours on Sunday. So this will be not out of the ordinary to do a big long playtest. But it'll be unique because it's off stream. But alright, thanks for stopping by. See you later.